$268 per month with free warranty, certified and inspected with free warranty and available financing. With only 48k miles, a one-owner vehicle and a fantastic CarMax report, this Solara is clean and like new. Harboring features such as a convertible cloth roof, a beautiful grey leather interior, Toyota's premium multi-disc audio sound system, heated exterior mirrors, a tire monitoring system, and much more. Having gone through our rigorous 120-point ASE certified service inspection and our high-quality care maintenance program, you can be sure to find this car in excellent condition both inside and out. See videos, get details and apply online at www.dreamcarscredit.com. Payment based on 60 months, 6.95 APR, 20% plus TTL down WAC. Call to make an appointment or stop in any time to see our complete line of sedans, compact cars, trucks and family vans. We've got it all.